Hi, my name is Sarah and I'll be doing a repair attempt here on the Huthmaker property. They're a State Farm client. I'm going to be doing the repair on the shingle here. We got lots of missing shingles everywhere. And on the back side too. I'll walk back there. This is the shingle I'm going to be putting on. As you can see here, we've got missing shingles here and over here. Got multiple wind damage shingles back here as well, as you can see. All right. So this is the shingle that I showed you. It's the shingle that we will be repairing. Let's see. Okay. Back the camera up a little bit. It's on the shingle. Okay. So again, this is the damaged shingle, but obviously with an arc, it's a long piece. So we go from here to here. You'll notice I'm going to put my hand on the shingle to keep it down so that it does not reach over 90 degrees at any time. Okay, just with using the roof snake and with the shingles, they're nailed here and here. So they're nailed 2 rows up. So I have to unseal 2 rows up from the damaged shingle already, and I'll show a close up here in a second. But this shingle has ripped here. And again, I'll show a close up in just a second. This nail here has ripped through the shingle. So I'm having to go from underneath there we go. This one's ripped through as well. And you've already paid for this shingle. As you can see, it's ripping right here. You've already paid for that shingle, but just wanted to point out the condition. Okay. And this one is ripped out as well. You can see clearly. It's not secure in there. This one's ripped through as well. Let me stop here and show you. Okay. So I'm getting the nail out from here in order to get this one out. And the nail is right here and it's ripped out. So this nail right here is ripped through. While we're here, here's that one as well, just from the roof snake of trying to unseal. All right. So because of that one, I can't even get to it. So I'm going underneath here to try and get it out. Let's try on a different one. Okay, we got a nail there. This one is ripped out as well. I don't know if you can hear it coming out of the snake. There we go. This one's at an angle. There we go. Old shingle is out. Here's the damaged shingle. Here's what I was talking about, which I was trying to show you. The nails are just ripping through these shingles. You can see how big these holes are here because they're just ripping through. I'm gonna leave this shingle on the front porch in case you want to do an RLS. So again, this will be on the front porch, just in case. Okay. And going back. This is an architectural shingle, obviously, that we're going back with. That is same in kind like for a repair. I'll show you in a minute the difference in these shingles, obviously. I don't know if you can hear the granules raining off. This one's kind of hard because it's already ripped right here. nail slipped out from the snake, so we're gonna try again here. There we go. All right, we are done. Let's see. All right. As you can see here, what I was trying to point out, you can see the difference in the size, obviously. The exposure is way off, as well as the color is not the same as pre-loss conditions. Again, that's why I've laid out the existing shingle in case you guys want to do an RLS. But either way, it's still going to fail, as I've already pointed out. Not only has it ripped on the front, but it's ripped underneath as well. So like these shingles were ripped through, and it wasn't something that you guys saw, obviously, when you guys were out here. But then we've got damage here and damage here, all from just doing the repair. So this would be absolutely a failed repair, and this is what's going to happen across the whole entire board, even if we do an RLS to do patchwork. So in order to indemnify your insured and bring them back to pre-loss conditions, full roof replacement would be advisable in order to bring them back to pre-loss conditions as per the policy. Thank you.